肥蘆江縣呢個茶葉基地，外國友人開啟咗一場奇妙嘅茶文化之旅。先係了解咗當地綠茶嘅發展史，然後走入茶園，喺茶農嘅指導下，學習辨識一芽一葉嘅採摘標準。佢哋用手指輕捻嫩芽，感受茶葉嘅鮮嫩質感。
Today, coming here and drinking the real green tea, I experienced the charm of tea culture. It's simply different. The green tea here has a fresh and natural aroma and looks very premium as well. Chinese tea culture is profound and extensive. They live in a deep impression on me.
憑借10萬幾畝嘅生態茶園同茶旅融合嘅創新模式，為當地經濟注入15億元嘅產值。每片茶葉都喺度講述緊鄉村振興、文化傳承嘅故事。